Talking about digital image formats, digital image is a numerical representation of two-dimensional image. Most software developers created a new custom file format for each application they develop. If you make a software, you want to have a format known to you only, then you can go for a custom file format. Then using standardized file formats increases the ease with which images can be exchanged and be readable by the other software in the market or industry. So what is the criteria to be considered when choosing a file format? These are type of images, storage, capability, and application domain. Type of image means black and white, grayscale, scans, color images, or color graphics. And storage size or compression, that is what is your storage requirements and compression method. Capability, how important is the exchange of image data and how important is the long-term machine readability of the data. These are some types of digital images that are shown. These are a few more. This is a fingerprint, this is a satellite image, this is a medical image. So coming to raster versus vector data, raster images have finite set of digital values. These are called picture elements or pixels, while the vector graphics are based on vectors, also called paths or strokes, which lead through locations called control points, and each of these points have a definite position on the XY axis of the work plan. Now raster images contains a fixed number of rows and columns of pixel, while vector images result from mathematical geometry, that is vector, that consists of infinite number of points having both direction as well as the length. So let's start with TIFF, that is tagged image file format. TIFF file contains a number of images with different properties. A TIFF specification provides a range of different compression methods. We have LZW, ZIP, CC, ITT, and JPEG, and color spaces, which make it easy to store a number of variations of images in different size and representations together in a single TIFF file. The flexibility of a TIFF has made it universal exchange format used in archiving documents, scientific applications, digital photography, and video production. What are the merits of TIFF format? The great advantage of saving files in the same TIFF format is that no information is lost. Useful for transporting images file from one application to another or from one computer to another, as they are designed to be independent of any particular hardware or software. Independence, that is portability type of issue. The strength of TIFF format lies in its architecture. This is a well-formed, made format. The strength is architecture, which enables new image types and information blocks to be created by defining new tags. That is why this is tagged image file format. And what are the demerits of TIFF format? TIFF files encounters errors when loading. In flexibility also lies the weakness of this format, where proprietary tags are not always supported. The drawback of TIFF file is that the size is large. This is the major drawback. They take a lot of space when stored and take a long time to open in an application, and it is difficult to store. Then coming to graphics interchange format, GIF, widely popular format due to its easily or early support for index color at multiple bit levels, LZW compression, interlaced image loading, and designed for color and grayscale images with maximum 8-bit depth, 2 to the power 8, that is 256 only. Doesn't support 2 color, that is why. GIF files are designed to efficiently include flat images consist of large areas of the same color. Same area, same color, no problem. But same area, different color may be a problem. Support color palettes in the range of only 256, enabling pixels to be encoded using fewer bits. So size is also small. The limited color range has advantage that GIF files may be small in size. That is the merit of GIF format. Easy to store and display, again small is small size. GIF format has the ability to encode simple animation. This is the most important aspect of GIF, why it is used and why it is talked about. It supports animation. and it also can be made transparent image. Transparency can also be controlled. What are the demerits? Limitation of 8-bit palette, of course, only 256 colors and fewer colors, so ineffective for detailed images or detailed images. And loss of color variation. GIF is not suitable for subtle color variations retained in your image. GIF formats are very useful for storing grayscale images which are limited to 256 tones of gray, so that no information is lost. Coming to portable network graphics PNG image, a universal image format designed specially for the use of the internet. See, it is only for the internet, but it is now used everywhere. PNG format was designed to be the alternative of GIF format, because GIF has a drawback of only 256 colors. That is why PNG files support 3 types of images: true color, grayscale, and indexed. PNG includes an alpha channel for transparency with a maximum width of 16 bit. So transparency is also there in PNG. Merits of PNG: unlike GIF, it has all 16 million colors. Still, the format support 1 image per file, but it allows image up to these numbers. The PNG format uses a lossless compression method. Demerits of PNG format: relative large file size ensures PNG format may be less suitable for web or other online services. That is why there is always a comparison between PNG and GIF. Coming to Joint Photographic Experts Group, that is JPEG. It is a standard which defines a compression method used to display continuous tone images such as photographs, with the goal of achieving an average data reduction of 1:16. Well, JPEG has achieved more than that. The level of JPEG compression will determine how much information is lost, the percentage. JPEG files can be saved with the following options: standard, baseline, optimized, and progressive. So what is the algorithm core of RGB image? Color conversion and downsampling. Color transformation from RGB into YCBCR. Space, these are the 2 color spaces as used to separate the actual color component from the brightness Y value. So one more is cosine transformation and quantization frequency space. The image is divided up to a regular grid of 8 blocks. The frequency spectrum is computed for each independent block using the DCT, discrete cosine transform. Next, the spectral coefficient of each block is quantized using quantization table. If we have 1.2, it can be made as 1. Size of this table determines the compression ratio. Then lossless compression. The quantized spectral component data stream is again compressed using lossless method, that is arithmetic or Huffman, in order to remove the last redundancy in the data stream. Merit of JPEG format: it retains up to 16 million color, ability to compress more or less to find a compromise between file size and image quality. Demerits: loses information pixel frequency values because they may be averaged to the values of those pixel in its immediately surround, that is the neighboring areas. File size larger than GIF because of color information. Some JPEG file formats are JFIF, EXIF, and JPEG 2000 with different aspects and features. So thank you so much. Take care of yourself.